drugs she'll need tonight. Know that she won't die if she sneezes right. Never wanna talk, pleading all the fights. Wanna take a walk on the other side. Feeling really fly on her feet tonight. God is something good, now she Jesus Christ.
Hey guys, hey, listen up. I'm on a journey. I need some help from you guys. You guys on my Facebook pages, you guys on those Facebook groups, Reddit, Twitter, all of you guys. I'm on a journey to get to 500 subscribers. Help me out, guys. I need this. I want this. I want this for you because all I'm going to do is make videos that are entertaining, videos that are educational. So I'm going to help you guys mod your kayaks. If you're new to kayak fishing, I'm your guy. I'm the one that wants to teach you guys how I do it. Not how everybody does it, but how I do it, and maybe give you guys some good pointers and maybe some ideas to help you on the journey that I've done over the many years that I've been kayaking. So help me out, like and subscribe to my Facebook page, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and help me get to 500 subscribers before summertime. Help me out, guys. Thank you, guys, and see you on the next video.
All that she could take, all the snowflakes, and whoa, she got all the drugs she'll need tonight. Know that she won't die.